welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Marika, and make sure you subscribe at the end of my video. So for today's video, I wanted to do an affordable makeup look. Did I say that right? No. A Valentine's makeup look using affordable products. There you go. But I did use the Smashbox primer water for this look just because I don't have any setting spray that is drugstore at the moment. Most of them are high-end products, and I did use the Dream Street palette by Kathleen Lights collaborating with ColourPop. This is actually my first time using this palette, and I actually love it. And ColourPop really does have some affordable makeup products. This was under $20, so it's still affordable. You get all these shades right here, so really pretty. Anyways, that's all for now. Make sure you click like and subscribe if you are new. Like I said, my name is Marika. Nice to meet you guys, and just keep on watching if you want to see this makeup look. I already did half of my eye, so this video can be really fast. So I'm using the Dream Street by Kathleen Lights. It's actually my first time using it, so I just created this like Valentine's Day look. So I'm just gonna like talk to you guys because I don't want to do a talk through video, so because it gets kind of complicated. So yeah. Okay, for the eyeshadow primer, I am using the eyeshadow primer from Hard Candy, and we are just going to sweep this all over the lid. I am going to take the shade Magical, and I'm gonna sweep this on my crease with a windshield wiper motion. So we are going to take the eyeshadow Shooting Star, which is this shade right here, and we are actually going to also put that on the crease to mix in with that transition shade. After that, I am taking the shade Potion, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna put it underneath the crease, just a little bit above the lid. Kind of creates like that dimensional look, which I really love doing with my looks, with my eyeshadow looks. If you guys haven't noticed, I love layering like my eyeshadows and stuff like that. Then we are going to blend with this eyeshadow, with this brush. This is the Morphe M441 blending brush. I'm going to use Spark. No, is it Spark? Is this pink? Yeah, it's called Spark. It's this reddish pinkish color, and I'm just getting like a tapered blending brush, and I'm actually going to do this really heavily, but it is a little chalky, so just make sure you tap off your brush. Okay, so I'm gonna go in close to my lid and actually going in on my outer corner, because I'm actually doing like a half cut crease look. So just like so. Now I don't have like a lot of lids to work with, so yeah, because of my eye shape. Okay, so it does get like everywhere on my eyelid, so which is fine because we can just always fix that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and blend it again. Blend away the harsh lines. And I'm actually going, I used the wrong finger. Going to just tap this on my eyelid. So now that that's done, I'm gonna get like a flat brush, and I'm going to use the shade Twinkle, which is the shade right here, and put it on the rest of my eyelid. Then we are going to blend once again. Going to take the eyeshadow Elfish, which is this one right here, this dark brown shade, and I'm going to actually put it on my outer lid. Okay, and then what do you know? Of course, we're going to blend it once again. I actually already did my eyebrows prior to this video, so the video won't take forever, but I did use this new Total Temptation Brow Definer from Maybelline, and I actually like it. That looked a little bit crazy. A little bit, huh? But you know what? I'm experimenting with a lot of looks lately, so yeah, better get used to it. Okay, so I decided to finish up with this makeup. I'm actually going to use the shade Moony to put on my brow bone. And for the lashes, I decided to finally use these lashes that I hauled from TJ Maxx a month or so ago, and they just look like this. It looks really crazy because they're super long, but I don't actually want to mess up with them. I don't want to mess with them or like cut them, so I'm just gonna go for the long lashes look. Okay, so I'll be back. So I am using the Hydrating Face Primer from e.l.f. This is only my second time using this, so I don't really know how I feel about it yet. It does have like that gel consistency, so, and it goes on really, really nice on your face, but I feel like it's too greasy for me. So I don't know how I really feel about it, since I do have like a sort of like a oily combo skin. I still do get dry like around here, like around my nose and like somewhere here, but I stopped taking my birth control for now, so my face is actually going back to normal. So after that, I am going in with this foundation from Maybelline. This is actually their brand new foundation. This is my first time trying this. I bought this a couple of weeks ago, and this is their Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm actually super excited to try this because I've heard so many good things about it, and it comes with a pump. I'm so pumped. I'm so pumped to use this, and I'm using this EcoTools blender, and I really, really, really love this beauty blender. So I don't even know if this is gonna match me, but we will see. And I'm just gonna dot it all over my face. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild concealer. So to set my concealer, I am going with the NYX HD finishing powder. Looks like this. It is in the shade Banana. Using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I really love this mascara. It's super amazing. It's one of my favorite from the drugstore. Powder, I am going to use the Wet n Wild pressed powder. I am looking a little ghostly. I'm gonna go ahead and put some bronzer. Anyways, I'm using this contouring blush and bronzer from e.l.f. This is one of my favorite blush and bronzer palette. Just looks like that, and I'm actually going to use both of them. So I'm gonna go in first with the bronzer. Not too heavy, because this is really pigmented, especially when your face is super light like mine is right now, so it does tend to look a little muddy, so don't overdo it. For the highlight, I'm actually going with the Rimmel. I'm going to use this one. It's their Highlight Illuminator. And the brush I'm using is the Morphe 501 highlighter brush. So for the lipstick, I decided to go with the Milani lipstick in Naked. And I'm just gonna... Okay, and then I'm actually going to top it off with the NYX Lingerie in the shade Ruffled Trim. Top the look, I will be spraying my face with the Smashbox primer water just to set everything and lock it. This is the only thing that's not affordable in this video. Everything else is pretty much affordable, and I didn't have any affordable setting mist at the moment, so because I've been using a lot of high-end products lately. But yeah.